estudyanteng nakatanggap ng 67 medals? Kinabiliban online si Rain Everard Hizon mula sa Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija dahil sa nag-uumapaw niyang awards. Higit 30 medals kasi ang natanggap niya kamakailan sa kanyang moving up ceremony, habang ang iba naman ay nakolekta niya mula grade 7 hanggang grade 9. Hindi lang ito academic awards, kundi pati na rin mga parangal mula sa extracurricular activities mula sa school-based, division, regional, national, pati na rin international level recognitions. Pero ayon kay Rain, hindi naging madali ang landas sa likod ng kanyang mga medalya. Bukod sa pag-aalaga sa kanyang ina na naging bedridden dahil sa sakit ng lumbar spondylosis o problema sa spine, naging biktima rin siya ng pambubuli.
My most favorite medal is during the time when I was in grade 7. Nung time po kasi na yon, I was facing all sorts of emotions. Nadidepress na rin po talaga ako kasi I was going through severe bullying. During that time, na-aksidente pa po ako. Pina-opera po ako. After a few days, I competed sa school po namin poster making competition and I was also able to win as the champion. I think what fuels me to do even better is that I want to prove them wrong. I want to show them what I can do. I also want to make the people around me proud, the people who believe in me, my family, and also my mom. I know that I need to be more hardworking and committed in what I do to make her proud and make her happy.
Sa ngayon, plano ni Ray na piliin ang STEM o Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics bilang strand sa senior high school. Pangarap niya kasing maging doktor o abogado balang araw. At para naman sa mga gustong malaman kung ano ang secret ni Rain sa kanyang study habits, simple lang ang sagot niya. Determinasyon, disiplina, at tiwala sa sarili.
Know how to manage your time and to always believe in yourself, because if you believe in yourself, then you can rise above all circumstances in life.
Dagdag pa ni Rain para sa mga nakakaranas ng bullying. Huwag pakinggan o paniwalaan ang mga negatibong sinasabi ng iba.
I know it's hard not to listen to what they have to say, but trust me, it doesn't matter. Their words won't define you. For you to be able to achieve more success in life, always keep your feet grounded and never forget to look up in the sky and thank the Lord for everything that you've achieved in life. And if He can see that you're truly a good person, He will bless you with knowledge, He will bless you with wisdom and strength for you to be able to achieve what you want in life.